detector, milepost 140.1, track 2, no defect, total axle 422, detector out.
Over. Yeah, just calling about the trailer.
detector, milepost 148.8, track 1.
West, over. About the 8143. Now, brother, behind you in the control point, I got a TIE fire, so on the number 1, I'm just going to see if I can get that other westbound to slow down a little bit so I can jump off track and get this fire out. Oh, very good. Hey, go ahead for the UP6940, over. Yeah, brother, I'm here at the control point at 153. I'm going to set off the track, drive in along the right-of-way, and put out some TIE fires here. Over. Copy that, over. All right, brother, thank you. Higginbotham out. Search 9 UP 6943, over. Go ahead, over. Are you guys approaching the signal there at Gold Run, mile pole 152.7, over? We're at 158.0, over. I need you guys to stop short of mile pole 152.74, short of Gold Run there. I've got a report of a fire, over. Alright, stop short of mile pole 152, over. What of a fire? Yeah, short of that control plane. Engineer comply if I take that signal back, over. Coming in, broken up, telling you guys need your permission to take back the signal at Gold Run. If so, you are allowed to do so. Go ahead, over. Back all over, just confirming I have engineer permission to take signal back to RV153, over. Higginbotham, dispatcher 9, over. Higginbotham, go ahead, over. Alright, dispatcher, I'm at control point 153 off the number 1 track, controlling the fire, over. Is there a bridge or a tunnel that's involved with this fire, over? No bridge, no tunnel. So if we're saying we're controlling the fire, do I need to get the fire department out there, or how big is this fire, over? It's controlled in a crib with pine needles, and right now I have no smoke. I'm going to put some more water on it to ensure that the tie is in fact completely out, over. Copy, so you're saying you don't need the fire department, over? No fire department needed, over. Thank you. Touch out. That's 9 UP 8143, over. 8143? You guys do, find a place to stop and, inspect your train there. You were last train to a right-of-way fire, over. We can stop at Colfax, if that's alright. that. Let me know if, what you find out. Yes, all the needles have been removed. All the ballast that was in that crib has been moved around and saturated, and I'll stay here for the hour to verify that we don't have another spark up. Over. All right, I copy that. Your time. Do you need to hold your time there for that hour? Over. No, sir. Brother, I'm going to release my time. I'm going to be sitting off track with water and shovel along the number 1 track. Over. All right, copy that. I appreciate all the information, and thank you for making this a little bit easier for me. Over. That's how we work, brother. I just happened to drive up to a control point, was setting off, and I saw the fire spark up. All right, copy that. Dispatch number 9 UP 6943, over.
7 UP 6943, over.
Continue on if you can there. Keep on going. See how far you get down to Colfax. That TIE fire, I notified you about at milepole 152.74. You can continue past that. It's put out. Over.
Copy that, fire at milepole 152.4 is being contained and now. Over.
That's correct there. Over.
And also, did you say we're going to be stopping at Colfax? Over?
However far you think you can get, Colfax is it. Over.
Copy that, Colfax is it.
Dispatch 9 UP 8143, over.
Alright, over.
Just notified that fire was a TIE fire, so no need on the inspection there. Over.
Follow the inspection. Stand in.
Right there, thank you.
Back on. And eyeball.
Negative, that X8 is issued there. I needed to give that to you, and you're